Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Woven Spirit Oracle by Lorraine Sadler. This is published by US Game Systems and it retails for $22.95 in the US. Now, as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. And thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck my way to share. I am so appreciative and so excited to get into it. So let's do just that. Connect with universal energy. Woven Spirit Oracle reminds us that as humans, we are integral threads in the rich tapestry of life. Intended to help you in the here and now, these 52 card images vibrate with the energetic colors of our magical universal homeland. The ethereal imagery and mindful messages help us connect with the subtle energies all around us. By tuning into these natural resonances, we can be guided to make choices beneficial to ourselves, to others, and ultimately to the earth itself. Includes 52 cards and a 116-page illustrated guidebook. All right, let's get into it. Oh, look at that back. That's so pretty. Oh, and it's that nice US Game Systems cardstock. So before we get into that, let's take a look at the guidebook to see if there's anything important that we need to know before going in and working with it. Written by the artist herself, the inspirational messages within Woven Spirit Oracle open a window into the mind of Lorraine's approach to creativity. Combining her life experiences, interests, and passion for the natural world, Lorraine expresses her thoughts and feelings through a collection of poetic ponderings that help guide the user in marrying the images on the cards with the philosophy behind their conception. Her contemplative style is intended as suggestion only. As an intuitive creator, Lorraine appreciates that her images will resonate in diverse ways to various souls who have been drawn to engage with them. Intended to help you in the here and now. Okay. Oh, and then it just goes into the cards. Alrighty. Let's see. Are there spreads in the back here? Oh, we do have some. Okay. So we have Oracle readings, 3-card spread, and connection spread. And then about the artist. Awesome. Okay, let's get into it. So like I mentioned earlier, it is that nice US Game System cardstock with the gloss, and it slips. I'm excited. I like the size of this. I feel like it's a great universal size for all hands. It's that almost like the tarot cardstock size. Oh, look at the center of the flower there. Ooh. These are beautiful. Oh, look at the little starfish. Oh, I love this. Look at the phoenix in the center there. Or I'm interpreting it as that. Wow. Oh. This is really, really pretty. I love the vibe. I think this would be a very good deck to use daily Or if you like to journal, pull a card and then journal about it, what you feel, what you intuitively pick up. And I'm really excited to get to know the guidebook too. Oh, wow. Oh, cute. I love this because it can mean a lot of different ways of intimacy too. It's not just a hot and heavy, passionate intimacy. It can be just a closeness with a friend or family member. Sharing stuff is intimacy as well, like sharing your thoughts and your feelings. That can be a very intimate thing. Yeah, I'm definitely picking up a lot of different things in these cards. It's very gentle. It's very peaceful. Love this one too. Look at all of the way the light just expresses itself on the cards here. It's just beautiful. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, I'm like fully in love with this deck already. I just love how I don't want to call it basic, but it's very easy to utilize. Gorgeous. The detail on the succulent here, I'm just blown away by the art. I think it's gorgeous. I really love the way it's done here. I'm just getting very entranced with it all. It's gorgeous. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, this reminds me of the Fool energy in tarot. A little snail dude at the bottom. Oh, I love plumeria. Okay, let's see how it shuffles. Nice. Yeah, they slip really nice as well. Okay, we're going to read for honesty. And it looks like it's all alphabetical in the guidebook here. There it goes. Okay, so clarity and honesty purify the energies of a connection with self or others. Our relationship with others and the world around us is dependent upon communication. At the core of any unhealthy relationship, there is usually a shortfall of truthful or considerately conveyed expression. Even your relationship with your own being can suffer if you do not communicate with care and kindness towards her. The cool and calm blue of the throat chakra is a color of cooperation, trust, and loyalty. Its soothing hue urges honesty both with yourself and towards others. It invites you to express your needs and feelings clearly and conscientiously, to refrain from ambiguity or abrupt confrontation. Like the crystal clear waters of a tranquil azure ocean or the flawless purity of a vast and cloudless sky, blue is the color of clarity. All right, I'm impressed. I really like this. I think this is a great daily deck. This would be really great for some shadow work as well, a very gentle way of doing shadow work. There's multiple ways that this deck can be utilized, which that's one of my favorite decks where you can use them in multitude of different ways. So this is beautifully done as far as the art is concerned. The guidebook is just enough information, and then you can use your own intuition to further upon gain more insight into using it. So I'm really excited to get to know this a little bit more personally. But now I'm going to turn it over to you guys. What do you think about this deck? Are you excited about it? Have you heard about it before? Do you own it? Or is this a pass for you? Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop your favorite flower in your comment as well. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck our way. And thank you guys for being here, for hanging out with me and spending your time with me. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.